Okay, today we're using the area model. Okay, the first step is to read the problem. 34 times 28. Those numbers that we multiply are called the factors. We are trying to find the product. So we're going to break apart the 34 into what we call expanded form. Okay, so the 34 can go here. It's 30 and 4, 30 plus 4. The 28 can go here. With multiplication, it doesn't matter. If we would have put the 28 on the side or the 34 there, it doesn't matter. So that's 34 in expanded form, 28 in expanded form. If you think you know what you're doing, go ahead and click pause. At any time, if you think you know what you're doing, go ahead and click pause and try to finish. Okay, continuing on. I'm going to use our little shortcut method when we're multiplying by multiples of 10. So we're going to start here. 20 times 30. Again, we go 2 times 3 is 6. And then we bring over 2 zeros. Then we continue on. 30 times 8. So we do 3 times 8. Don't forget that's the same thing as 8 plus 8 plus 8 if you're having difficulty. You can think of 8 plus 8 first. That's 16 plus another 8. And if you have to, count up. 16. Use your fingers. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. And we have to bring that other 0 over. So 30 times 8 is 240. Now we're going to continue. We're going to go 20 straight down, and the 4 is going to come over. Start with the 2 times 4 and you get 8, and then bring over the 1, 0. Then we go 4 times the 8. Again, we said it's just like that game of Battleship, 4 times 8. Well, you knew that 3 times 8 was 24, so you can count up 8 more. So 4 times 8 is 32. Please don't forget to study your multiplication facts if you're having difficulty with these. Okay, now we're going to take all the numbers that are inside the box and we're going to add them. We'd like to go in an orderly fashion, so I'm going to start here with the 600. I'm going to check that off that I use that. And I'm going to move to the right, just like we read a book. 240. Make them neat, make them lined up. I'm going to go down, just like I would read a book. Check off the 80. Make sure it's lined up. And the 32. And add them all up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. And we're going to add 4, 8, and 3. Might want to start with the large number 8. Then count up 9, 10, 11, 12. Then add the 3 more. 13, 14, 15. Notice I get 15, so the 5 goes down there and the 1 there because I'm not done. Then add 6 and 1, you get 7. Count up 2 more, you get 9. The answer is 952. That's called the product. I'm going to write it up here, 952. Okay, if you think you know what you're doing, go ahead and click pause. Try the next one. Welcome back. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take 62 and write it in expanded form. That's 60 plus 2. You don't have to put the plus sign. The 13 in expanded form. It's 10 and 3. Then you're going to multiply. So again, these two are multiplied. Then I'll multiply the 60 and the 3. Then I'll multiply the 2 and the 10. Then I'll multiply the 2 and the 3. Okay. Again, 60 times 10. Underline the zeros. First do 1 times 6. Then look at how many zeros you underline. You underline 2. So your answer will have 2 zeros. This was a 3 up there. Then I'm going to go 3 times 6. Again, if you're having difficulty, think of 6 plus 6 plus 6. You can put the first 2 6's in parentheses. That means you do those first. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 6 more 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. And I had 1 0, so I bring that over. Now I'm going to do 2 times 10. 2 times 10. First do 1 times 2, bring over a 0. Then I do 3 times 2, or 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? Then if you think, what do? You add those all up. I'm going to do 600 plus 180 plus 20 plus 6. Add those all up. 8, 9, 10, carry the 1, 6, 7, 8. 806. Okay, I want you to try 3 and 4, and you're going to put your answers in the Google Doc.